Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Do you have gaps along the bottom of your door? We did really bad, and this little strip by Vannesse has helped so much with the drafts. If you notice here, this little feather, you can see the draft coming up from under the door. You can see it blowing in the wind. But after I put this door stopper on, it did not blow at all. I was super impressed how it completely sealed out any drafts coming in. Our house is older, and so all the seals around our doors are all starting to deteriorate. And I needed a quick fix for this winter so that we didn't have this huge draft coming in from our garage. And this thing worked perfectly. It's super easy to install. It's very easy to cut with scissors so you can get exactly the length of your door. It comes with a nice primer. So I just cleaned the door, put this primer on, and then it recommends using a blow dryer to just heat it up a little bit so it sticks extra. So I did that. And it's very easy to peel off, and I just set it along the edge of the bottom of the door as I pulled the backing off. It was very easy to get it on straight perfectly where I needed it. It's also really easy to open and close the door. I was worried it would feel stuck, but it does not do that at all. Super impressed with this. I highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.